Light shade because I need light. Favorite colors. The bees are gonna save the bees.
Bees don't eat ladybugs. My grandfather once got bit by.
Why does it
My name is Bo and I am 6 years old. I liked drawing insects and the garden because it was really fun. Also about we were all working together because because we all care about each other. I had a favourite moment when we were all working together.
Hi, my name is Janelle and I'm in Pluto, and basically we make like basil plants, and I took mine home, and then when I took it home, I left it for a few days and it grew like really big, and my mom uses it for like her food.
Hi, my name is Maya. I'm 10 years old. I'm in comic class, and I didn't like gardening at first, but then when I did gardening, it it was very it was very nice, and I really enjoyed it, and I learned about the California poppy. What I liked about gardening is that you plant the seeds and you get to take care of the flower like it's just your own.
William, and I love painting, and I learnt a new word called collaboration, and it means working together and making or doing something brilliant. And my age is 6. Mabel and I'm 6 years old. My favourite part about today was painting because it was very fun.
Okay, start by guy, come.
What the hell is that? What are you drawing? I'm drawing a euphoria.
Looks great.
This is like over there. Please do where all the water is. Hi, Johanna.
Hello.
And then this circle, more flowers, and this we do the big flowers in a spiral shape. The tiny flowers are spiral. No.